Welcome to our statistics series. Today, we are learning about Pareto charts. These are powerful ordered bar charts that help us understand frequency and significance in data. So, what exactly is a Pareto chart? It is a specialized graph that combines two things, a bar chart and a line graph. The key feature is that the bars are always arranged in descending order, from tallest to shortest. This visual arrangement helps us instantly spot the most important factors. This chart is based on the famous Pareto Principle, often called the 80-20 rule. It suggests that roughly 80% of effects come from only 20% of the causes. In other words, a few key issues usually cause the majority of the problems. Let's look at the anatomy of the chart. On the left vertical axis, we measure the frequency, or count. On the right vertical axis, we measure the cumulative percentage from 0 to 100%. The blue bars represent the individual values, while the orange line tracks the running total percentage. Imagine we are running a store and analyzing why customers return items. Here is our data. Notice that defective product happens 120 times, while found cheaper only happens 5 times. To make a Pareto chart, we must sort this data from the highest frequency to the lowest. First, we plot the bars. We start with the tallest bar on the far left, then the next tallest, and so on. This creates a staircase effect going down. Just by looking at this, we can see that the first category is significantly larger than the others. Next, we add the cumulative percentage line. This line starts at the top of the first bar. As we move right, it adds up the percentage of the next bar. By the time we reach the last bar on the right, the line hits 100% on the right-hand axis. How do we read this? Look at the first two categories. Together, they make up 90% of all returns. These are the vital few. If you want to reduce returns, you should focus your energy on fixing product defects and sizing issues, rather than worrying about people changing their minds. You should use this chart whenever you need to prioritize. It is standard in quality control to find major defects. It is used in business for cost analysis, and even in personal productivity to find which tasks give you the most results. To summarize, Pareto charts combine bars and lines to visualize the 80-20 rule. Remember to always sort your data in descending order. This simple tool is one of the best ways to separate the significant few problems from the trivial many.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.